Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a call on Twitter. Whether you're looking to catch up with a friend or have a business meeting, starting a call on Twitter is simple and convenient. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the chat icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your direct messages. Next, find and open the chat with the contact you want to call. Once you're in the chat, look for the phone icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to initiate the call. Now, you'll have the option to choose between an audio call or a video call. Simply select the option that best suits your needs. If you choose the audio call, you'll be connected with your contact for a voice conversation. If you opt for the video call, you'll be able to have a face-to-face conversation with your contact. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to start a call on Twitter. Whether you're making plans with friends or discussing business matters, starting a call on Twitter is quick and easy. So next time you need to connect with someone, consider using Twitter for a seamless communication experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.